Have you ever been driving along minding your own business when suddenly a little yellow light on your dashboard decides to ruin your day? It's like your car's way of saying, "Hey, pay attention to me." You know the one, the dreaded check engine light. That tiny glowing icon can send shivers down any driver's spine. It can mean anything from a loose gas cap to a major engine problem, and it's enough to make anyone's heart skip a beat. But don't panic. There are ways to figure out what's going on without immediately rushing to the mechanic. Understanding basic vehicle diagnosis can take the mystery and fear out of that little yellow light. It's like having a conversation with your car where it tells you exactly what's wrong. It's like having a secret decoder ring for your car, allowing you to understand what's going on under the hood. Imagine being able to decode those cryptic messages yourself. In the past, diagnosing car problems was a job for mechanics with years of experience and expensive equipment, but not anymore. The world of car diagnostics has evolved. Today, thanks to user-friendly diagnostic tools like those from THINKCAR, anyone can become their own car doctor. These tools are designed to be simple yet powerful, making car maintenance accessible to everyone. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the basics of vehicle diagnosis, empowering you to take control of your car's health and maybe even save some money in the process. No more guessing games or unnecessary trips to the mechanic, so buckle up and let's get started. With a little knowledge and the right tools, you can keep your car running smoothly and confidently handle any issues that come your way. Before we dive into the world of diagnostic tools, let's not forget the simplest form of car diagnosis: listening. Your car communicates with you in many ways, and being attentive to these signals can save you a lot of trouble. Your car has its own way of telling you when something is wrong, often long before that check engine light decides to make an appearance. It's like a language that, once understood, can help you maintain your vehicle in top condition. Pay attention to any unusual noises, smells, or vibrations. These are your car's way of signaling that something isn't quite right. Is your engine making a knocking sound? This could indicate a problem with the fuel, the spark plugs, or even the engine itself. Do you smell something burning? This could be a sign of an oil leak, an electrical issue, or overheating components. Does your car pull to one side when you brake? This might indicate a problem with your brake pads, alignment, or even tire pressure. These are all signs that something might be amiss. Ignoring them can lead to bigger problems down the line. Keep a notebook handy to jot down any unusual symptoms you notice, along with when they occur. This can help you track patterns and provide valuable information to your mechanic. This information can be incredibly valuable when you're trying to pinpoint the source of a problem, especially when you're talking to a mechanic. It can make the diagnostic process quicker and more accurate. Remember, the sooner you address a car issue, the less likely it is to turn into a major and expensive headache down the road. Regular maintenance and attentive listening can keep your car running smoothly for years to come. Now, let's talk tech. Every car manufactured after 1996 has a secret communication system built in, the On-Board Diagnostics II (OBD2) port. This little port, usually located under the dashboard on the driver's side, is your gateway to understanding your car's inner workings. Think of the OBD2 port as your car's data recorder. It constantly monitors various systems, looking for anything that falls outside of normal operating parameters. When it detects a problem, it generates a Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC, and stores it in the car's computer. These codes are like puzzle pieces that help you understand what's wrong with your car. But how do you access them? That's where THINKCAR diagnostic tools come in. Gone are the days when you needed a mechanic and their expensive equipment to read those mysterious DTCs. THINKCAR offers a range of affordable and easy-to-use diagnostic tools that put the power of car diagnosis in the palm of your hand. These compact devices plug directly into your car's OBD2 port and communicate with a smartphone or tablet via Bluetooth. The THINKCAR app then decodes the DTCs, providing you with clear, concise descriptions of the problem. But THINKCAR tools do much more than just read codes. They can also display live data from your car's sensors, allowing you to monitor things like engine temperature, fuel pressure, and oxygen sensor readings in real time. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned DIer, there's a THINKCAR tool to fit your needs and budget. Section 5. Step 4. Understanding Diagnostic Trouble Codes. Now that you have your THINKCAR tool and have plugged it in, you're ready to read those DTCs. These codes are essential for diagnosing issues within your vehicle's systems. But what do all those letters and numbers mean? It can be confusing at first, but once you understand the structure, it becomes much easier to interpret. Each DTC consists of a letter and 4 numbers. This combination provides specific information about the issue. The letter indicates the system the code relates to, like P for powertrain, B for body, C for chassis, and U for network. This helps you narrow down the area of the vehicle that needs attention. The numbers correspond to specific components or circuits within that system. The first digit after the letter can indicate whether the code is generic or manufacturer-specific. For example, a code of P0301 means cylinder 1 misfire detected. This tells you exactly which cylinder is having issues. The THINKCAR app will provide you with a description of the code and often suggest possible causes of the problem. This can save you a lot of time in troubleshooting. Remember, DTCs are clues, not diagnoses. They are the starting point for your investigation. They tell you where to look for the problem, but not necessarily what the problem is. You may need to perform additional tests to pinpoint the exact issue. Further investigation is often necessary to determine the root cause. This might involve checking related components, wiring, or even software updates. Section 6, Step 5, Clearing Codes, a clean slate, sometimes. Once you've addressed the issue that triggered the check engine light, you can use your THINKCAR tool to clear the codes from your car's computer. This turns off the annoying light and allows the system to start fresh. However, it's important to note that clearing codes doesn't magically fix the problem. If you haven't actually addressed the root cause, the code will likely return. Clearing codes is most useful after you've made a repair to confirm that the issue has been resolved. It's also helpful for resetting the system after a minor glitch that might have triggered a false positive. Section 7, Step 6, Live Data, your car's vitals. One of the most powerful features of THINKCAR diagnostic tools is their ability to display live data from your car's sensors. This real-time information can be invaluable for diagnosing intermittent problems or for monitoring the health of your engine and other systems. Want to see how your engine temperature changes under load? Curious about your fuel trim values? THINKCAR lets you access this data and much more. You can even record data logs and view them later on your phone or computer. The ability to monitor live data can be especially helpful for DIYers who are comfortable working on their own cars. It allows you to see how adjustments or repairs affect your car's performance in real time. Section 8, Step 7. Additional features of THINKCAR. In addition to reading codes and displaying live data, many THINKCAR tools offer a range of advanced features that can be incredibly helpful for diagnosing and troubleshooting car problems. Some models offer ABS, which stands for Anti-Lock Brake System, and SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System diagnostics, allowing you to check for faults in these critical safety systems. Others provide oil light reset, electronic parking brake service, steering angle sensor calibration, and battery management system capabilities. These advanced features can save you time and money by allowing you to perform certain maintenance tasks yourself that would typically require a trip to the mechanic. Section 9, Step 8, Safety First. While DIY car repair can be rewarding and budget-friendly, it's essential to prioritize safety. Before working on your car, always disconnect the battery before performing any work on your car's electrical system. Wear appropriate safety gear, such as safety glasses and gloves. Never work on your car in an enclosed space without proper ventilation. If you're unsure about how to perform a repair safely, consult a qualified mechanic. Remember, even with the most advanced diagnostic tools, some car repairs are best left to the professionals. Section 10. Conclusion, you got this. Understanding basic vehicle diagnosis doesn't have to be intimidating. With the help of user-friendly tools like those from THINKCAR, anyone can unlock the secrets of their car's computer and take control of their vehicle's health. By paying attention to your car's warning signs, learning how to read diagnostic trouble codes, and utilizing the power of live data, you can become a more informed and empowered car owner. So the next time that check engine light throws you a curveball, don't panic. Take a deep breath, grab your THINKCAR tool and get ready to channel your inner mechanic. Section 11. Disclaimer. This information is intended for general knowledge and informational purposes only, and does not constitute professional advice. It is essential to consult with a qualified mechanic for any car repairs, or before making any decisions related to your vehicle. Always prioritize safety when working on your car and follow the manufacturer's recommendations. For more information about THINKCAR tools, check the link in the description.